How to delete all your drafts on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your drafts on Quora. So first thing, go to Quora app. Now this is the feed page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to find and delete your drafts is by going to the top corner and click on your profile picture. And now choose drafts right here. After you choose drafts, now you will find your drafts right here, and all what you have to do to delete them is by clicking on delete all drafts if you want to delete them all at once, and if you want to delete one by one you can just click here of any draft. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.